We are currently on the Lost Springs subdivision at Peabody, located at milepost 208.54 is the diamond. Here at Union Pacific, we do not stand on the rail. We do not rest our feet on the ball of the rail. We're going to be doing unprecedented work here on the railroad. It's going to be dangerous, but I do believe we're going to have a very safe and productive day here.
I'm Wesley Bogar. I'm the saw pilot for this job. We are going to be going over a little bit of safety for the helicopter portion of this. So let's get started.